Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about some sample problems on Python Spring, Lisp and Dictionary. As it is an introductory video, this video will be easier to understand. Now the first question is about Spring. Suppose you are given two strings. Now you need to create a new string by taking one character at a time from each of the two strings sequentially. So what does it mean? So if we like starting the sample code, it will be easier for to understand. So suppose string 1 is giving a, b, c, and then string 2 is giving x, y, z. So now if to create a new string, suppose this I can give this name as a new string. The new string should be a, then x, then b, then y, then c, comma z. So this is the way that you need to create the new string. The first one, the first character of the first string will be concurrent with the first character of the second string, and similarly the second character of the first string concurrent with the second character of the second string, and so on. So how can you solve this problem? You can solve this problem in two ways: by making a hard coding or dynamically. The problem of hard coding is like it will not work for any string. It will work for just only a particular set of string. Suppose you can solve this problem in this way: new string 1. So we need to first add the first character. So string 1 0, then string 2 0. As the both of the string has like same size 3 3, so the new string size will be 6. So string 0, string 0, then string 1, string 1, then string 2, then string 2. How does it work? At first, like from string 1, this is string, and the index 0 will get a, then string 2, this is string, then indexing 0, that means we will get the first character of this second string, so we get x. Similarly, string 1 1 means string 1, and 1 means this indexing. As we know, string indexing starts from 0, so it will 0, and it will 1, and it will 2, and so on. So if we print this new string 1, get this? Yes, this is the right answer, but this is not the correct way to do it, because like if I change the size, it will what? It will give an error. Yeah, this is error, because in the first time where the size of this string is 3, now it has been reduced to 2, so we do not have any string, uh, we do not have this indexing, so this indexing is like none, so this line has given as an error. So what is the dynamical way to solve this problem? And the advantage of doing dynamic programming is like will this code will work for any given string, any such string. So like use this again. So string, let's just give you just anything. And as we have been told to create a new string, I have taken a variable new string and just an empty string. So how we solve this? Just for I in range is like length of this s1 2, it would be string 1, then the new string, this new string we need to convert it, the indexing, the new string is equals to, sorry, is equals to the new string again, because we need to add again and again, string 1 plus string 2, and here I have given this I. So let's see how does it work. String 3. Yes, it does work. So what have we done in this code? This student has been given, so we just need a variable called new string 3 to restore the string, and after that we need to write a for loop which will iterate over this string. At first it's to 1, as both of the length of both of the strings are same, so it will give us 3, as we know for loop is exclusive. So if this loop runs for 3, it will run for 0, 1 and 2. 3 is exclusive here. This is the most important thing. 3 is exclusive, for loop is exclusive. So if we like give a the length is 3, so if we get this length 3, the for loop will run for 0, 1 and 2 this times. So this is we can easily understand this because our indexing starts from 0, so this is the correct way. Indexing starts from 0, so this is correct because for loop is exclusive. So how does it work? At first the value of I is equals to 0 because for loop starts with 0. So if we have 0, then the new string at first will be empty string, then it concatenates with string I 0, which is in this case A, so it's A. Then string 2, the value of I is 0, so what does it will give? It will give X. Yeah, so after concatenating it will give us empty string plus A, then X, then it will give us A comma X. Similar, and when the value of I is like 1 and the value of I is 1, our new string has stored this value A comma AX, so this time it will give AX, the value of I is 1, so it will give us B, and the value of I is 1, so str to I 1, this is Y, it will give us Y. So after this second iteration we will get AX, B and Y and so on. So in this way, if both the length are same, so we can concat these two strings. But is there a problem? Both strings are not in same length, what will do? So now in this case we have got a string 1 which is ABCD, I have increased the value, and string 2 I have reduced the value, it's just XY. This the length of this string 1 is 4 and the length of string 2 is 2. So similarly we have taken a new string empty string. At first we need to check the length. If length of string 1 which is 4 is greater than string 2 which is 2, so we need to iterate over string 2. I am trying to solve in this way. So if we have given here A B C D, xy. I'm going to like take the lower length, so that way I'm going to solve. So if I use this lower value, I will like iterate the same way. I will get a x, then b y, and the rest of the part like cd I have not been iterate over. So the rest of the string will be just concatenated with a new string. I have used this formula, like you can use any other way if you want to. So for I in range, length of string 2, that means the length of string 2 is smaller. So I will iterate over this string 2 xy. Now the new string is empty at first. So new string 3 empty. String 1 I at first is 0. So I will get a and x, then above, then again, then now I gonna get ax. After second iteration I'll get b and y. So this part will give me ax by, but our work hasn't finished yet. We also need to like get cd. So what we will do is a simple way. If length, this same formula again, if length is greater than length 2, new string, we have new string as here ax by. What we will do, we will just slicing the value. What this line do, here the value of new string is 3. We have got ax comma by from this part. Now we need to like add the last of two values with this string. So this is slicing from length of string 2. Length of string 2 is 2. Let's copy this value so it will be easier to understand. Length of string 2 is 2, and length of string 1 is 4. So we are slicing string 1. So what does it will give? It will give us slicing. So string 1 slicing means itself is 2 and is 4. That means 2 and 3. It will give us 3. These two values. So it's very easy. Similarly, similar to for loop, string slicing is also exclusive. So as we have given 4, it will just iterate over index number 2 and 3. As you know, string 2 index will give us 3, and in string 1 3 index will give us d. So string, right, string 2 will give us 2, and string 1, which is the bigger string, and string 3 will give us, so it will give us c, and it will give us d. That's the way. Will not go to 4 because it's exclusive. This slicing will stop here, and in this way we'll have got cd. Firstly, we just like concat this part, this previous part, and cd. That's it. This new string x and cd. So thank you everyone. This is the part I want to show. This is a very important problem on history. I hope all you understand. Thank you.